Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Today our focus will be on four words: know, K-N-O-W, know, people, about, there, T-H-E-I-R, there. So let's start with the first word, know, K-N-O-W. Know it. Know how. Do you know Prithvi? Yes, I know him. I have known him for 20 years. Do you know what state is Coorg in? Yes, it's in Karnataka. Do you know how to drive? Yes, I know. Nisha, please be sure to let me know your new address soon. If there's any help you need while shifting to your new house, just let me know. I don't know what gift to buy for Nisha. Why is Nikki absent? Does anyone know the reason for her absence? The second word is people. P-E-O-P-L-E, people. How many people? My people. For the people. How many people attended the seminar? 40 people attended the seminar. Nice shop. Yeah, many people shop here. Don't make fun of people. I like talking to people. I love talking to people. Who are all these people? They are our friends. I have seen Sonu help people. Indu is kind to old people. Dogs run faster than people. There were many people on the beach. People can't live forever. The third word is about. A-B-O-U-T, about. Think about. How about? What about? How about you? What are you talking about? We are talking about the party. We are going to the party. How about you, Tia? Are you coming to the party? I'll think about it. What about you, Ria? Do you want to go to the party? I'm not sure. I have to study for my exams tomorrow. There are about 20 trees in the garden. How was your trip, Rahul? Tell me about your trip. Look there. It's so beautiful. The sun is about to set. All the old friends met and talked about their school days. Where is Tom? Tom is out now. Don't worry about him. Think about yourself. How about a cup of coffee? That would be good. Winnie said, I'm crazy about football. I love to watch football matches. What about a job, Winnie? I'm serious about taking up a job. I'm pretty sure about it. The next word is there. T-H-E-I-R, there. Their friends, their children, their book, their language. Children should obey their parents. Parents are usually concerned about their children's future. Jack and Jill announced the date of their wedding. Jack and Jill named their son John. Many trees lose their leaves in winter. Don't talk about people behind their backs. They are on good terms with their neighbors. So that's all for today. We are done with another set of 20 words. So let's revise this set of 20 words. Do, did, day, down, many, make, more, my, most, may, like, long, look, know, no, number, now, know, 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 people, about, there. With this, we have hit a century. We have completed the first 100 of the most useful words in English. These 100 words are used in 50% of the daily conversation. Now, if you have learnt these 100 words properly, you will be able to carry on 50% of your daily conversation confidently. Today, I am also sharing some tips to speed up your English speaking skills. Listen to each exercise and repeat what you hear immediately at the same time. Do not wait until the end. If you miss some words, it's okay. Keep going without stopping. Listen and repeat the exercises again and again from beginning to end. Give 30 minutes to 1 hour of your time each day to learn spoken English. That's all for today. In the next lesson, we will move on to another set of 100 words. Meet you then. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.